Alright, so this is problem 6 of the WeBWorK. So the original function we have is dx dt equals x plus 2 squared. Okay, so now let's go a little further into that. We separate the variables, and we have the integral 1 over x plus 2 squared, that is a plus sign, I swear, dx equals the integral dt. So, of course, looking at this, you can't immediately just integrate that. You have to let u be equal to the x plus 2, which means your du is just dx. If your constant turns to a 0, like we all know, the x turns into a 1. Okay. And my computer's being very glitchy, I apologize. Okay, so now we're back here. We're going to put in our u set. It's 1 over u squared du. We still have our dt over here. Another way we can write this is as the integral of u to the negative 2, since this is the power rule, not the natural log rule. And then we can just integrate this, because that's pretty simple. So we have t plus c, because we need the arbitrary constant. So then, for our antiderivative of our u, we have negative 1, u to the negative 1, and then we have our equals t plus c. We want to get u alone, so then we negate both sides. Okay. Then we want to take the reciprocal of both sides. Gonna do a little switcheroo. We have 1 for negative t minus c. Of course, you can write that a little differently to make it a little easier. You got u equals negative 1 over t plus c. Okay. So now we're going to take c and I'm going to go back a little bit and make these all c1. That way we don't get a little confused in the next couple steps. So now we have c1 equals a. And now we have to put everything in its original form. So we have x plus 2 equals negative 1 t plus a. Just subtract the 2 from both sides to get our x alone. Get x equals negative 2 minus 1 over t plus a. Okay, so now we have this. Okay, that was awful. Here we go. Okay. So now that we have what x is equal to, what we're going to do, oops, I don't know what I just did there. Go back up here, and we're just going to write it out again just so we still have it up here. X equals -2 minus 1 over t plus a. Okay. Now we know when t equals 0, x of 0 equals c, which is why we changed the a earlier. So we say c equals -2 minus 1 over 0, that's our t, plus a. Okay? So now we're trying to find our constant of c plus 2 equals -1 over a. First we gotta negate both sides. So we got negative, come on, oops, not equals, just negative c plus 2 equals 1 over a. And then we're just going to do the switcheroo right again. We have our a equals -1 over c plus 2. Okay? So now all we do is plug everything back in just to get our equation, because why not have our final equation? It equals -1 over t minus our a, which is why we have the minus sign there, minus c plus 2. Okay? Is our particular solution. Sorry for the awful looking handwriting. This we can call a general, whoops, if I could spell that'd be great. Alright, and this is all of the work. Awesome. Hope this was helpful. If anyone had problems with this, I know I had a couple difficulties, but I hope this was helpful for anyone else who was trying to study this one.